Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of this 2020 Boston Whaler 280 Vantage. The outside hull color is glacier green with the Boston Whaler chrome graphics. This particular boat is powered by twin Mercury Y300 Verado engines. Transom boarding ladder. As we walk through, you'll see this very spacious transom seat. Easily folds away. Transom live well. This boat is equipped with the dive door on the port side. As we're coming through, raw water washdown, dual battery switches. Over here on the port side, you do have the adjustable seat that will fold all the way down. Storage under the seat. And your ladder for your dive door is stored inside here. This does have a very spacious head compartment. That is a vacuum flush head with holding tank and overboard macerator. This boat is yacht certified. Up here at the top, you'll see the glacier green underside color and also the sure shade that's electric, goes out the back. Over here, you've got freshwater sink. Again, a spacious storage compartment for a cooler. Here at the bow, Mercury vessel view, digital throttle and shift, also the Mercury joystick system. As we come through, you've got the bow block off door. Again, very spacious storage. Up here in the bow, you'll see the filler cushion to make the sun pad, flip down armrest, freshwater sprayer, and now you can have a windlass anchor with a beach boarding ladder. This concludes the walkthrough of the 2020 Boston Whaler 280 Vantage. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.